What is up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So those who have been following my YouTube channel since a long time will know that I love to customize my vehicle, and that's exactly what we are doing today. We are going to customize the Ford EcoSport. So as you guys can see, I have already fit the front grille, but the two major changes which I'll be making today, uh, one is the spoiler and the other are the wheel arches or the fender. So yeah, this is how the car looks currently, and let's see how it looks once we have fit those accessories. So the reason why I'm making this video is because the accessories which I showed you guys now are from a third party, and it's not an official Ford accessory. The wheel arch I got for about 2500, and the spoiler was around 1500 plus shipping. So these were shipped to me from Delhi by Mohammed Farhan. So I'll put his number in the description below in case you want to buy the accessories from him. So the official price from Ford for the spoiler is about 4000 rupees, and the wheel arches are about 6000, so the total is about 10,000, which I feel is not worth it for something which does not add any sort of value to the car, just few cosmetic changes. But yes, the wheel arches do protect the sides of the car, but nothing much. So yeah, I got these accessories for half the price, and the quality is also decent enough for the price I paid. But having said that, let's get the accessories fixed and see how it goes. We have had a lot of complaints that the double tape used on this is not strong enough and it comes off. So what we'll be doing is we'll remove these and replace it with a better quality 3M tapes, and also maybe add a few more to make sure that it sticks on. So we are currently checking which piece goes where in the car, and that's what he's doing right now. So this is the spoiler, and again we have the 3M tapes, but there are also these screws on both the sides to lock it down and to make sure that it doesn't come off from its place. But yeah, we'll get this replaced as well. So we tried it once with the original tape and it wasn't working well, so we added more layers to it. So before installing this, you need to make sure that you clean it properly with the shampoo water or something as such, to make sure that there's no polish or anything as such on the paint, or else this will just come off.
It doesn't come. Default it doesn't come.
There's so much gap.
So if I do here,
So I think we require one more layer of double tape. There's so much gap. So even on this side it's not getting fixed properly, though we have put multiple layers of double tape. Yeah, this side is better though.
yeah, compared to that, because it's a double sticker. That's why I said.
Yeah.
That's why I applied double. This we have to see.
So on the rear side it looks fine. There's gap which is also there on the original ones of the Ford. Okay, this is already coming off. So I think it's going to be really difficult to stick these, but let's see if we can do something about that. So the molding wasn't perfect, so it wasn't fitting well. So we had to use the heat gun in order to make few changes and then use the double tape to stick the fender. So this is the last piece. As you can see, all other fenders have been already fixed. When we were trying to fix this part, as you can see, he applied little pressure and this chipped off. So yeah, the quality, I'm not sure, it's not that great. But then what we're going to do now is we're going to paint this portion black so that it doesn't look as bad as this. So yeah, we have applied paint and that is how it looks. So we'll let it dry for some time. So I am getting this done in Feel Up Accessories. You can see the mobile number there. I'll put it in the description as well. And yeah, you can just contact him directly if you want any sort of accessories for your car. And this is his store. So we have screws on both the sides to keep it locked, as I said earlier, and this is how it looks once it has been fixed. So this is the final look of the car with the wheel arches and spoiler. Let me quickly show you guys the spoiler as well. So this is how it looks once you have fit the spoiler and wheel arches. Let me show you the side angle as well. So as you can see, the car looks fantastic from all sides, but like you saw, there were a few problems with the wheel arches and spoiler as well, which I'll get to you in some time. So one thing is we put a little bit of pressure and this chipped off, but we had to paint it black. That's one thing, and the installation was not easy. You had to change, you will have to change the double tape in order to fix this properly. And there are gaps, like as you can see, but these are there in the original ones as well. And yeah, so there is gap here. I feel this should have also been painted white fully, but that is not done, so that's pretty visible. Same on this side as well. And as you can also see, there is small crack, and I think this happened during the transit, so we can't really blame the seller there. So I did contact the seller about the crack on the spoiler, and he did say that he'll get it replaced. So that's one good thing. So in case there's any problem during the transit, he will make sure that you get the replacement of it without any charges. So yeah, I feel that Mohammed Farhan is doing a great job by providing us this such good accessories for the Ecosport, but I also feel that he can improve the quality of the products slightly. So the seller has created a Ecosport owners group, and he provides all sort of accessories to them. So in case you want to join the group, you can do that as well. Again, I have put his contact number in the description below. You can contact him to know about all the accessories that are available for Ecosport. Not just Ecosport, the accessories are available for other cars as well. So you can just check with them if the same is available for your car. Other than the product themselves, I think the seller needs to ship out the products a bit earlier, as soon as possible, that is, because I received these after waiting for about 1 month, which is not bad for shipping from Delhi to Bangalore. it can improve for sure, because I waited for a long time and I was not sure if I'll receive it or not, but then luckily I did receive it. Overall, it's a decent experience. You will not be really disappointed with the buy, especially when you think about the price you paid for it. So I think I can suggest people to go for it, but make sure that when you're fixing these, you don't put too much pressure, or else you might just end up doing this like me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button, do subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more such videos. Until next time.